Every morning, my mother gently wakes me up. She touches my shoulder and says, "Wake up, sweetie." I pull my blanket up and whisper, "Just for 5 minutes more, Mama, please." After a few minutes, I get out of bed, brush my teeth, and then I make my bed. After that, I wash my face with cool minty water. It really wakes me up completely. I look out of the window and hear sparrows chirping. The bright morning sky makes me feel fresh and ready for the day. Then I take a bath and freshen up for the day. After that, I recite my morning prayer. It gives me peace and strength. I help my mother in the kitchen. We cook together and talk. I really enjoy that time. After that, we eat breakfast together with our family. It's a peaceful and happy time that brings us all closer. Later, I spend some time practicing coding. After that, I watch English lessons with Learn English with Bhavneet Kaur to speak English more confidently. In the evening, I go for a 1 hour walk in the park. It helps me relax and clear my mind. After my walk, I go to Gurdwara Sahib to offer my prayers. Then I return home and have dinner with family. We share stories about our day and enjoy the meal together. Finally, before going to bed, I write in my diary about my day, what happened, what I learned, what I want to improve, and the things I am grateful for. And that's my daily routine. Write your daily routine in the comment box. I'd love to read them.